In this video, we take a look at the Aputure 100D, and let me be right up front on this review. There is no better light for the money on the market today than this light at $199. It's the end of December 2020. Aputure sent me this light to review free of charge. Aputure announced the 100D and 200D this month, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on the 100D. My expectations were not very high for a light that only cost $199. I couldn't have been more wrong. Talk about throwing the gauntlet down. Of course, they had to compromise on a few things, but nothing I can see that would affect their use. Their higher-end fixtures are all metal construction, but their higher-end fixtures are also higher priced too. To cut costs, these are polycarbonate with other parts that are metal for strength. The two lights, the 100D and the 200D, are virtually the same, except the 100D is 100 watts, 200D, 200 watts. Since I have the 100D, I'll talk about that. Despite having fans, they are very quiet and only kick in when cooling is needed. The 100D rates 39,500 lux while using the hyper reflector from 1 meter. This is the hyper reflector. Looks like a hyperspace thing, doesn't it? This is 0%, basically off. Let's run it up to 100. That is one seriously bright light. The light is 5600K with a CRI and TLCI of around 95. To keep the price down, the light does not come with a case, remote, or battery power option, although you can power it with a 58-volt DC battery source, which I'm told they're coming out with later this year. I don't mind, I use mostly everything in my studio, and I despise having batteries, so the fact that this is just simple AC connector, I'm good on that. The controls are quite simple. There's a stepless knob here, which I really like. No clickies. There's a Bluetooth reset, because you can hook this up to Sidus Link like all their other lights and control it fully from the app. And then finally, there's a simple on-off switch down here. Let's turn off the light so we can look at the display. I don't know if you can see this display here. It's quite readable to me, but not too bright. There's a percentage indicator, and up in the upper right here, it shows me whether the Bluetooth is connected within the light or not. Let's up this thing to 100%. That is one seriously bright light. Now, in using a light this bright, you usually want to tone it down a bit because it can get really harsh and really bright, which is why you might want to consider something like one of these light domes that Aputure also sells, or any light dome for that matter. Remember, it's a Bowens mount. Any Bowens mount compatible thing will fit onto this light. Let's put this on. Okay, light dome on, lights off. Let's check it out. Here we are, totally off. Let's run this guy up. 50, 80, 100%. Very much softer, very much more diffused light. Let's turn it around. I'll show you what I got. 0%, 4%, 20%, 57%. There's 100%. Although it's incredibly bright, you can see how the diffusion works. A lot better. Cool. And just to make sure, we're going to take another light manufacturer's light dome and make sure this actually fits on this light. Bowens mounts are awesome. Now, I've had this thing sitting here on at 100% for at least an hour. My microphone, my shotgun mic, is sitting about 13 or 14 inches away. I can hear the fans just barely. Let's listen. That's awesome. There is no way I would ever complain about the fans in this thing. A few more features I really like are there's an umbrella mount down here if you use those, which is great. And this larger handle here. You can actually grab this thing. It's not one of these little turny dudes. Take this thing and position it. And although it's plastic, it locks down in place. The other thing I really like is this is at 0% right now. Now I can dial this slowly up and turn on the light, but with a button press, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. That's just great. I love that. Back to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's really awesome. I like that. But wait, there's more. I have the Sidus Link app running on my iPad, iPhone, iPad, Android, whatever you got, and I can control this thing via the iPad. Let's turn it on. Boop. Let's dim it down. Let's go to quarter. Let's go to half. Let's go to full. That's pretty cool. I have dimming curves too, which is kind of neat. Here's the next really cool thing. Effects. What? Let's go for a strobe effect. Start. Stop. Let's go for pulsing effect. How cool is that? You can control the frequency and how bright it is and everything else. There's the TV effect. Paparazzi. Let's do some paparazzi. Boom. Let's go crazy. Now we're paparazziing, you know, light flashes. Let's do a faulty bulb. I can trigger this thing. Boop. There's lightning. Yeah. Trigger by hand instead of playing it. So you can just sit here and trigger this guy. Or you can play it automatically and it'll do all its thing. Okay, I'm going to say it one more time. This light made by Aputure with all its features and functions and Sidus Link and its brightness and built-in effects for $199. If you don't have lights or you need extra lights or you need something with lighting, just buy these. That's my recommendation as of December 22nd. You'll probably be seeing this in January when they release it, but that's my recommendation. Just forget all these other cheap lights. This is the guy, either the 100D or the 200D. I mean, you can get the 200D. I'm going to buy 2 more of these. I don't know why I would get the 200D. It'd be way brighter. I don't need that much brightness. Don't forget, I have free and paid courses over at Basic Filmmaker University. Get your video and audio game on. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. This is just too freaking cool. Yeah! 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 Diffuser number 1. Diffuser number 2. Why 2 diffusers? More diffusion. I wonder how this goes together. Far be it for me to read the instructions. Undo Velcro first. Wait, diffuser number 3? Maybe the other side. That's in Chinese. I don't think so. Red dot match insert bracket to speed ring adapter symmetrically install all brackets. Oops. All right, I'm a professional. That was a piece of cake.